Morning from rainy Arnhem. We've got a bit of a transition day. Today we're getting the train from Arnhem down to Koblenz. A bit of a rest for everyone's bums. Yeah, and this is the side of the Rhine. There's the John Frost Bridge, and we'll be about 300 or so miles further south along the river a bit later. Hi, so we're at Arnhem station and we're going to catch our first train down to Düsseldorf. Butter cake as we sit on the train heading slowly towards Koblenz. Wandering around Koblenz looking for a pub. So in Koblenz, this is where the Rhine meets the Mosel. This is the Mosel. It's still raining, but not too hard.
Got a dropper right in my eye.